In today's fast-paced world, achieving a work-life balance has become increasingly challenging. Many individuals find themselves constantly overwhelmed by the demands of their careers, leaving little time for personal fulfillment and relaxation. However, the ancient wisdom found in 1 Thessalonians 4 verse 11 offers valuable insights on how to embrace a thriving work-life balance. By understanding and applying these principles, we can unlock a more fulfilling and joyful existence. Achieving work-life balance, wisdom from 1 Thessalonians 4 verse 11. The verse 1 Thessalonians 4 verse 11 states, "Make it your ambition to lead a quiet life, to mind your own business, and to work with your hands, just as we told you." This powerful advice serves as a guiding principle for those seeking a healthy balance between their professional and personal lives. Firstly, leading a quiet life does not imply a lack of ambition or success. Rather, it encourages us to prioritize simplicity and tranquility in our daily routines. By slowing down and focusing on what truly matters, we can avoid being consumed by the constant noise and distractions of the modern world. Secondly, minding our own business allows us to set healthy boundaries and avoid unnecessary stress. It reminds us to focus on our own responsibilities and not get entangled in the affairs of others. This approach fosters a sense of clarity and prevents us from becoming overwhelmed by external pressures. Lastly, working with our hands emphasizes the importance of engaging in meaningful activities beyond our professional obligations. By pursuing hobbies, spending time with loved ones, or pursuing personal development, we can find fulfillment and recharge our spirits, unveiling the secrets to a thriving work-life balance. To unlock a thriving work-life balance, we must first evaluate our priorities and make intentional choices. This includes setting clear boundaries between work and personal life, as well as learning to say no when necessary. By identifying our core values and aligning our actions with them, we can ensure that both our professional and personal lives receive the attention they deserve. Next, we should cultivate a healthy support system. This can include seeking advice and guidance from mentors, surrounding ourselves with like-minded individuals who prioritize work-life balance, and fostering open communication with family and friends. Building a strong support network allows us to navigate challenges and seek guidance during times of imbalance. Lastly, it is essential to practice self-care and prioritize our well-being. This can involve taking breaks throughout the day, dedicating time to engage in activities that bring us joy and relaxation, and maintaining a healthy work-life boundary. By nurturing our mental, physical, and emotional health, we can sustain a greater sense of fulfillment and energy in both our personal and professional lives. Embracing a thriving work-life balance is not an easy task, but with the wisdom found in 1 Thessalonians 4 verse 11 and by implementing practical strategies, it becomes an achievable goal. By leading a quiet life, minding our own business, and working with our hands, we can unlock the secrets to a more joyful and fulfilling existence. So, let us prioritize our well-being, set boundaries, and surround ourselves with a supportive community to achieve the work-life balance we all deserve. Please like and subscribe. For more content and full videos, visit our channel. Thank you.